Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to use Clearscore Insights to boost your credit report effortlessly. Let's get started. First, download the Clearscore app or visit their website and sign up for a free account. You will need to provide some basic details to generate your credit report. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Insights or Action Plan section. Clearscore analyzes your report and gives you personalized tips to improve your score, like paying down high credit card balances, correcting errors, or diversifying your credit mix. Follow step-by-step recommendations such as disputing inaccuracy directly through Clearscore or setting up payments reminders to avoid missed deadlines. The app also shows how each action could impact your score over time. Enable alerts to get notified of changes to keep your report like new inquiries or late payments so you can address issues quickly. Consistency is a key. Check your insights regularly and track your progress with a Clearscore's easy-to-read charts. And that's it. You're now using data-driven insights to build stronger credit report. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Clearscore. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.